The value of the NFC Forum for us, first of all, it's the open standards which we can use and we can share with everyone, such creating the interoperability like different offerings on the markets. Google was committed to be an active part of the NFC Forum probably for 14 years already, for one simple reason, that the NFC Forum promotes open standards. So open technologies, it is something that can widely used between like different manufacturers, different consumers, or even for the like future developers, because they allow to experiment with them. Open means, well, open means not something that set in stone. It means actually flexible in some way. Google involved in this, it's very natural because we are also very involved into the open technologies. Android open source offering right now, it is like an operating system that works on many different devices. The open standards creates ecosystem which designed to last for years, because when you have something proprietary, typically it doesn't last for long. It just lasts as long as the customer educated and using it. But the open standards, they just live because it's just a way to interoperate between the different vendors, between the devices. So Google involved in the open standards, it's just thinking about the good future for everybody. For NFC Forum, I would like to emphasize the importance of creating the community. It's called NFC Forum. It's not just NFC standard organization. The community is, I think, it's the biggest achievement of the NFC Forum. And this is very important because community actually tells us what to do and how to do things right. This is also very important value for Google, right? Because Google listens to the voice of the community, right? So it listens to the voice of users. I would like to do the right thing about offerings and to provide people with the best what they have right now in technology and everything. So I think this is what most important for the past 20 years, to create a better way to communicate with end users and create a shortcut for them to actually to pass their desires to the actual engineers which will be eventually implementing the features. Basically, it is really hard to predict the future. The most important thing that I can say about the future that the people are inventing. Yesterday, we were watching the award ceremony for the NFC inventors, and I was surprised how many people came with the solutions, actually very surprisingly good solutions, like based on the existing technologies, on the existing ways to use NFC. So the future will bring us more ideas. The future will bring us better, like new and original usages of the all of the NFC technologies, because there are many of them. NFC, its perceived simplicity is actually quite complex technology. The future for the NFC Forum is just, again, the better community, the better promotion of the standards, right? The good standards, which are, again, by themselves enforce like the development of the better technologies, enforce extensions in the frames of the standard. This is how I see the future and the value of the NFC Forum in the like next 20 years, maybe, yes. And Google will be here just to implement the solutions to make them, well, actually like, set on stone or like in the device. We understand our responsibility in front of the users to make sure that we are delivering, like, well, when user wants something, that we have to deliver it.